Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this tutorial you will learn how to get a live wallpaper completely free on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 desktop or laptop, whichever you are using. So the first thing you want to do is open up Microsoft Store and then search lively wallpaper. So I have my Microsoft Store right over here and I will search lively wallpaper. Once you do so, you will see that this one is popping up. You'll have to install it. For me, I have already installed it, but you will see a install button over here. So just click on that, give it a minute, and it will finish installing. Once you do that, what you want to do is click on open. And once you click on open, you will see a interface like this, and you can just basically now select whichever wallpaper you want from this. And the default ones are pretty cool, so they are quite nice actually. I can also use this one, and that would give me this jellyfish, which is cool. But let's just say that I wanted to use a YouTube video for my desktop wallpaper. So how do we do that? The way you do that is by going over to this Lively Wallpaper app and then clicking on this plus icon. Once you do that, you will see that this pop-up menu, and you can actually just set the URL to the YouTube video that you choose. For me, I already have copied one, so I'll just paste this and then I'll click on this arrow icon. Once you do that, you'll see that another pop-up like this is coming up, and once you do that, just click on OK, and it will take a few minutes or seconds depending on your PC and stuff. But yeah, once it's finished, just one click on it one time and then go back to your desktop screen, main screen that is, and you'll see that that video you selected is right over here. But make sure that the video is actually long enough, or else you'll see that something like a cut. Yeah, like as you can see, that black screen just appeared because the video is replaying by itself. But you should like have a long clip if you want to avoid that. But yeah, this is how you get a live wallpaper for free on Windows, and I hope that this video was useful to you guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video as well, and share the video to with your friends and whoever that might need help setting it up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.